President Museveni has waived off the charges which were being put against the people who were traveling through the Murchison Falls National Park, but specifically for the non-tourist travelers. This is a big move and came after a series of advocacy and also demonstrations from the northern Uganda members of parliament.
Closure of the Karuma Bridge. I totally forbid the charging of money of people who are just of travelers who are not tourists. It is nonsensical. I had heard about it, but it's not correct. However, what you need to, you the members of parliament of the zones of Lango, Acholi and West Nile, what you need to share with us is the issue of the tourism industry. Apparently, according to the conservationists, they are saying that those animals there in the park, they are not used to very many vehicles, especially the big ones, the big lorries, that, and I can suspect there may be common sense in it, that from when that park was created, big vehicles never pass there.
The president's move is a very, very big, good message and a sign of glory to the members of parliament who had been struggling for this advocate. Notably, the first person who will come in your brain is Olanya Gilbert, the member of parliament for Kilak South, and also Honorable Amere and some other counterparts from other sub-regions in northern Uganda. These charges were biting and causing a lot of economic discomfort to most of the travelers who were coming from northern Uganda. A number of people were already growing with a lot of worries and just too much. And also, Speaker of Parliament also added her voice to this matter. And now, seems like everyone from northern Uganda can now say, finally, it's a sign of victory and the voice that the president has heard our cry.